Would you believe me if I tell you this unit right here can bring you a daily revenue of $35? Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingle Mining, and today I'm bringing you this very profitable unit, which is the Pinecone Matches INIBOX. And according to the ASIC miner value, apparently now this unit is the fourth most profitable units in the world, and with a reasonable, affordable selling price. And it comes in with a hash rate of 850 mega hash with a power consumption of only 500 watts. So let's say if your electricity rate is about 8 cents per kilowatt hour, then running this thing for 24 hours will cost you 96 cents per day, which is around $30 per month. And one of your daily revenue will cover that. And you use this Versa hash algorithm mining, initverse, I don't even know how to call it. I'm just gonna call it INI. Yeah? Mining this coin, and it was brings you amount of 285 coins per day, which turns to the dollar, which is $35. But is it really possible? I'm gonna run it later to see the actual performance and the profitability, and of course I will teach you how to set it up. But anyway, here is the unit and here is the front, and you can see this massive fan right here, and up there is the radio lights and the TF cards port, which you're not gonna use. So when it's normal, the light will be blue. And here is the reset button. Here is the IP report button, and here is the Ethernet port. And on the back, we have the exhaust vent and where to plug in the power supply. Yes, this unit requires a power supply right here. So you need to purchase a power supply if you want to run this. And if you have at home, you can just use this kind of regular power supply, which we also available on the jinglemining.com. Alright, and now I'm just gonna teach you how to set up, and after that I'm gonna test everything, which includes the noise level, the temperature, the heating dissipation, and of course the profit. Is it really $35 per day? For a machine, for a 500 watt power consumption machine, it would be really decent. First, you need to plug in the power supply and the Ethernet cable. This website, which is initbox.shop. Remember this, yeah? And you need an account to access. So if you don't have one, you need to create the new account first. Alright, and after you've done that, go to support right here and click software download, and it will be downloading this software. I already downloaded earlier, so I'm just gonna open it. Alright, and now it requires you to put in a password, which is INIBOX, confirm. And now what you're looking at is the IP scan tool. So by doing this, you can scan out your IP address of your unit. And first, you need to change the third number of the start IP and the end IP, all right? And mine is 2. I already done that earlier. If you don't know your third number is, here is the way. So you can go to the internet setting, right? And keep going down, and when you see the IPv4 address, remember the third number. So you see mine is 2, yeah? So here I just put 2, and here is also. The start is, the fourth number is 1, and the end is 255, so don't change it, just change the third number. Scan. Right here, I found my unit. Double click it here. You see, right here, we are at the back end of your unit. But actually, when it's your first time setting it up, you will need to put another password again to access this page. And the password is also INIBOX. Alright, to go to here, which is the miner configuration. and right here you need to put in the mining pool address and the wallet address, and there's pool 1, pool 2, pool 3. I mean, you can just put 1, yeah, just put pool 1 and it's enough. Anyway, the pool address will be here, this website, which is yatespool.com. I don't even know how do you pronounce it. And here it doesn't need an account. You just go down, and here there's mining service. Right here is the IP address. So you just copy this IP address and take it to the machine's backend. Where is it? Yeah, here. And paste it here. Right? And don't forget to put the port after, yeah? So the port is this. We have 4 options. And now I'm just going to use this one. So copy it, right? 31588. And here, don't put it first. We need to put a clone first. And be aware that there should be no space after the clone, yeah? So it's going to be like this, yeah? You see clone and no space and 31588. And you can do a little bit different in the pool 2. I mean, like, choose the second option, yeah? 31589. Go here, clone, paste it, 31589. This might be the same. And here worker is your wallet address. I mean, you can just use your exchange address. All right, and now those exchanges supports INI will be something like Coinstore, MEXC, or XT.com. Anyway, I'm using XT.com, so I just put my exchange address right here. Yeah. All right, that's it. Save and apply. And yes, wait about, I don't know, a couple minutes, and go to the miner status. So right here, as long as you see there's real-time hash rate, which is here, and all the information start to showing up, that means your unit is running. That's it, right? It's not that hard. Alright, and that was the setup tutorial, and now I'm gonna test how's the noise level of this unit. Now you're hearing some noise, yeah? But let me tell you, half of the noise is actually from this power supply right here. Because my power supply right here is pretty massive, you know? So my power supply right here can actually run 3, yeah? 3 of this kind of Matches INIBOX. Anyway, I'm still gonna test it. So I'm gonna keep a distance about 1 meter away, yeah, and I'll stop talking. All right, you see right here is about 57 decibels, but let me tell you again, half of the noise is literally from my power supply right here. And now let's see the temperature. I mean, it's pretty pointless if I just like test out the temperature at the surface, yeah? But anyway, if you want to see, it's around 37.7 degrees. But we want to know how's the heating dissipation of this unit, right? And this is what I'm gonna do. This is a big heater, and later I'm gonna close the door and heat this up. And here it will show the inside temperature. So we just need to see at what exact high temperature that this Pinecone, Matches INIBOX will be off. Yeah, and let's do it. All right, and now the inside temperature has already increased to 32 degrees. That's quite hot already. That's like 90 Fahrenheit degrees, yeah, and our unit is still running perfectly, so I'm just gonna keep heating it up. And also the power consumption right here is really 500 watts like it says. So yeah, let's continue. Alright guys, and now the temperature inside is 74 degrees. That's almost 180 Fahrenheit. This is crazy, and you can see this unit is still running. And trust me, inside is so hot. Oh my god. But we're still gonna wait to see at what temperature is gonna be off. Alright, and actually we already have the answer. Because you see, first at the temperature of 80 degrees, I'm just gonna close it first. Anyway, at the temperature of 80 degrees, our units start to throttling. Yes, because I can see from the power consumption right here is now it's turned to 130 watts. Its heating dissipation is so impressive, and you don't need to worry about those overheating problems. You just need to control your environmental temperature less than 80 degrees, yeah, which is around 200 Fahrenheit, right? But if I'm totally honest with you, I think it also matters with your power supply, because I really have a strong, powerful power supply right here. Anyway, and that's it. I hope this testing will be helpful for you guys. Alright guys, and now I've been running my INIBOX for about 20 hours. And here as you can see that right now the current hash rate is 1.2 gigahash something, and the average hash rate is 883 mega hash, which is above the standard actually, and it's pretty stable. I mean, the performance. We can also use this this pool, yatespool.com, right? And if you put your wallet address in here, and it will directly shows the hash port in the, I mean, how's the status in the mining pool. I mean, this is more correct actually. So the real-time hash rate right now will be 870 mega hash. The average hash rate is 814 mega hash. And the important thing is here, you see the whole performance is quite stable, you know. Now we're gonna talk some profitability about this unit. And if we go to the Watermine website, and if you put the standard hash rate of this unit, I mean, we just do 850, yeah, 850 mega hash, and the power consumption will be 500 watts. And let's say your electricity rate is about 8 cents per kilowatt hour. Right there, you have daily profits, net profits of $34.92. That's quite decent, right? And as you can see, the rewards is 280 coins, and the electricity cost will be less than $1. I mean, the profitability is really, really outstanding. And there's one more thing is about this unit is the payback period. Yes. So according to our website, jinglemining.com, one unit right now, the selling price will be around 3K. And if your net profit every day is, how much was it? 35, right? So we use this and 35, and now you're gonna have your payback period. It's 88 days. That's very, very impressive, guys. I mean, I've seen some units with the payback period around 150 days, 100 days. That's already very impressive. But this one is 88 days. That's like just 3 months. You have your money back, and after that, it's just pure profit. Yeah, I mean, it's decent home miner. It's pretty quiet, pretty compact, and no temperature affection, very good heating dissipation, and most important is profitability. So if you're interested, of course, feel free to visit our official website, jinglemining.com. We are a leading global supplier of cryptocurrency mining hardware and related services. You can trust us with confidence. And I think that's it for the video today. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And let me know how you think of this unit, and let me know what you want to see in the next video. And I'm Ethan. I'll see you next time.